These are small homes that would go on a lot that already has a house on it. It can be all of the things that I need as I'm aging, and I can move in there and I still have the same neighbors, and I still have the same church that I go to, and I have the same everything at the grocery store. The other thing that is going to happen with 3D printing is ADUs, accessory dwelling units. And so you had talked about tiny houses before, but these are small homes that would go on a lot that already has a house on it. I also work in aging in place as well. We're concerned about how our population over 65 is going to double by 2040. No one's talking about how we deal with this. So if I owned a great big house and it had a great big yard, and I'm getting long in the tooth, I'm getting older, and it's harder to take care of the house than the yard, this could come out and print a small home on the same lot.
An addition.
It can be all of the things that I need as I'm aging, and I can move in there and I still have the same neighbors, and I still have the same church that I go to, and I have the same everything, and I could rent the big house. And now I've got a retirement.
Right.
That keeps me there. It can be a great aging in place concept. The other thing is anyone that has a lot that will accommodate an ADU, it's a great way to create an affordable rental. And the municipalities are working on this right now. They're lessening the restrictions against ADUs. This is happening throughout the state right now. It's gaining traction, and we're going to see a lot more ADUs coming about. And the idea to go out and 3D print one and only be out there for 24 or 48 hours, you don't have hammering of nails, you don't have the saw going for a month, you don't have all of this stuff.
Right.
Matter of fact, they'd probably be in there and out of there, and you'd be driving home from work going, holy cow, what just happened?
Right. Thanks for listening to the Adrian Sinclair Show. You can find previous episodes on the Apodcast multi-channel network at apodcast.com. You can also stream this podcast on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Podbean, and other audio platforms. And if you subscribe to our weekly newsletter, you'll get convenient short summaries of podcasts you may have missed. So check it out. And lastly, please support us by sharing our episodes on social media. We really appreciate it. Thanks.